on, Mare. Keep those arms bent, Mare. Swing. Use your momentum. Come on, Mare. You can do it.
I'm too heavy.
Keep arms bent. And then Andrew, you gotta go up there and do it after her.
I'm gonna be swinging, and I don't want to kill any of the rest.
Go. Oh my gosh, it's
I can't, I don't have a...
The phone? Yeah.
My phone?
All right, Angie, come on, it's the last turn. Last turn. Last turn.
All right, let's go.
Go. Yeah. We're doing it together. Together. Yes. Do it together. Yeah.